Analysis is not complete until you export the result and share them. You don't just work with data, you produce files that others can use. Once you understand saving data, your workflow becomes complete. You don't just analyze data anymore, you deliver results. Now let's jump into the code. Again, I have created this file saving 10 saving.py. Okay, this is the last file, and after saving you should be good to go. First of all, we are going to save the file to CSV. CSV mean comma separated values. Okay, to do that we need to do df underscore orders dot to underscore CSV, and the name of the file is going to be new orders.csv, and index is false. Now let's run this and see if it is saved properly or not. Okay, uv run 10 saving.py. Okay, let's see. Here we got these new orders. In here we have all those columns we have in this data, and all those rows we have in this dictionary. Okay, let me just delete it, and again I'm going to do like this df underscore verify. We are going to actually verify if it is successfully created the file or not. So df verify is equal pd dot read csv, and the name should be same. Okay, this one. In here let's print out print f string, and in here verification matches, and df underscore verify dot shape shape equal df underscore orders dot shape. Let's see, does it work or not? Yeah, verification shape matches true. Now I'm going to comment it out, otherwise it is going to create a new file with name of new orders. So let me just comment those 3 lines as well. So in that way I'm not going to create a new file. Again, let's create a custom export. Okay, instead of this plain export, we are going to create a CSV file with custom export. For that let me just df orders dot head. I'm just going to export 5 rows from the top to CSV, and in here we can pass many parameters, then just name and index number. So let me pass the first parameter custom export, and the index will be true this time. This will include index as well, so we'll have 0 1 2. Okay, now the separator, we can set the separator. Let's do it. Separator is equal, let's make it semicolon instead of comma. I'm just showing you how to do customization, but in real CSV file you should use comma. Okay, index label will be row number, row underscore number. Let's use encoding. Encoding is equal UTF-8 signature, and then I'm going to use float format. Let me provide this underscore here, and in float will have this, will have true fraction number after dot. Then we'll use columns. Columns is equal order id, and this will be inside a list, so I'm just putting it inside a list. Then we'll have customer name, product name, we don't need product name actually. Then we'll have total price. Okay, we are actually saving this file with name of custom export with semicolon separator instead of comma separator. Then we have included the index with label of row number. Then we formatted float with 2 decimal places after dot. Then selected columns only. Let's see. We are getting an error. Columns, yeah, I misspelled it. columns. Yeah, this shouldn't be an error now. Yeah, it created successfully. Now let's open this custom export. We have row number, order ID, customer name, and total price. We have only five row, and this is the index number we have included. Then this is the text format. This is semicolon separated, not comma separated, but usually CSV file is comma separated like this. You see this is separated by comma. Let's comment it out again and delete this. We can also save this data frame to Excel format, Microsoft Excel. So let's use a try. Let me just pass it for now. Then pass exception as E. Then I'm going to print the exception in here where I passed it. df underscore orders, then to Excel instead of to CSV, and the name will be orders export dot xlsx. This file extension is very important. We don't want to include index. Then we need to specify engine is going to be open by Excel. If you haven't installed it, you need to install by using uv add name of the package. It is installed. So now run this again. Let me just run this. Yeah, let's see. We should have a Excel file. This is it. If you open it with LibreOffice or Excel, you can see how it looks. Let me just open it. Open in files. Then I'm going to open it with LibreOffice Calc. Here is how it looks now. Okay, we have order ID, customer name, we have product name, category, quantity, unit price, shipping status, total price. Okay, again I'm just going to comment it out. Let me delete the file which we have created. Not only that, we can save in Excel format with little bit of advanced formatting. Let's do it again. Let me just copy this and paste it below here, and let me just uncomment it. And in try, I'm just going to import a few things. from open py excel dot styles import pattern fill and font, then with pd dot excel writer formatted underscore orders dot xlx xlsx. This should be in single or double quotation mark, okay. And after this, and again we should specify engine, then this will be as writer, and in here df underscore orders dot to excel writer, sheet name will be sheet 1, but I am going to change it to orders, and index is false, org hook is equal writer dot hook, then org sheet is equal orcar dot sheets, and orders, actually this is not orcar, this should be a writer. Now I'm going to format the header field is equal pattern fill, start color will be this, and end color will be this. And let's change the field type. Let me set the field type as well. Now let's change the font of header font is font color is going to be FFFFFF and bold. Then I'll have a for loop of cell in worksheet 1, okay. Cell dot fill is equal header fill, and cell dot font is equal header font. Now again create a for loop for, now we are going to loop through column in columns, worksheet columns, and in here let's set a max length variable to 0, then column letter is equal column 0 dot column letter. Then again a for loop for cell in column, in here let's use a try catch block, try pass except exception as CE cell error, print CE, and in here where we passed it, let's check if len string value is greater than max length, then max length is equal len string and cell value. Now below this for loop, I'm going to set a width, adjusted width is equal mean max length plus 2 comma 50. Then worksheet dot columns dimension, columns, it will be column letter, then width, adjusted width. Okay, this is what we want to fix. Now let's see it is saving properly or not. Let me just run this file again. No module name xlx writer. Okay, let's see. Actually this should be OpenPyXL, not Excel SX writer. So let's see. Has no object hook. Okay, let's not use this hook for now. Just comment it out again, try it. Yeah, it should be saved properly now. Formatted orders here, let me open it in files, open in files, and in here I'm going to open it with LibreOffice. Here I'm getting all of this. Here I got a colored header, this font is bold, and here all the data I'm getting, and this width is set by our pandas. So hope you understand how much customization we can make with pandas. Not only CSV or Excel, we can also export into a JSON format. To save data into a JSON format, we can just simply do like this: df underscore orders. Before that, let me just copy this so it won't create the same file again. Let me just delete it, refactor. Okay, df orders, then head, let's select 3 items, .to underscore JSON. In here the name of the file will be orders records.json, then orient is equal records, and this would be a single quotation mark in here, and we will not put any C. Okay, the name is this, orient is records, and then we'll select indent is equal to. Let's again run this file. Okay, it should be saved a JSON. Yeah, this is orders record.json file. We have all the orders in JSON format. We only got 3 because we are saving 3 items from here. Okay, and that is it for today's tutorial. We covered a lot. If you followed till here, you build a strong foundation in pandas. Now it is just practice and real world project from here. If you enjoyed this video and learned something from this video, please do like, comment and subscribe. It honestly helps a lot more than you think. It keeps me motivated to make more beginner friendly tutorials like this.